What's the meaning of cadre? Cadre. Cadre.
Cadre. Cadre. The term cadre generally refers to a group of individuals who have been trained as leaders or organizers within a particular organization or political party. These individuals are typically seen as key members of the organization, responsible for carrying out its goals and objectives. In some cases, cadres may hold formal positions of authority within the organization, while in others they may simply be trusted and respected members who help to mentor and guide others within the group. Overall, the concept of cadre reflects the importance of strong leadership and organizational skills in achieving success within a given context.